This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy mini Easter basket using the Stampin' Up! Coastal Weave Embossing Folder. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my mini Easter basket. Here's the front. I have a little bunny. It says Happy Easter. These are the sides. This is the back. And as you can see, it's deep enough for you to put in all different kinds of Easter treats. You will need 4 pieces of early espresso cardstock that are cut at 5.5 by 3/4. Then you'll need another piece of early espresso cardstock. This is cut at 5.5 by 1/2. This is going to make the handle. And then you'll need one last piece of early espresso cardstock that's cut at 7/4 by 1/2. And as you can see, these pieces that are going to make the bottom and handle, I've embossed with the Coastal Weave Embossing Folder. You can find this in the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog 2020. Okay. We're going to peel off this piece of tearing tape that I've put on the 7.25 by 1/2 piece of cardstock. And then I'm going to lay each of the 4 pieces on one side. Like so. Now what we want to do is we're going to start crossing these pieces to the other side. So I'll take this piece and bring it around and attach. Then I'm going to come around and bring this piece then I'll come around and bring this piece. And then the final piece. Then I'll attach the ends. Oops, and I need one more piece of tearing tape. And there you have your basket bottom. Now to keep this kind of steady, I have a 1.5 piece of early espresso cardstock punched with a 1.5 circle punch. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back. And I like to turn it over so I can see that it's on straight. Now take a bone folder and just go around the bottom. This is like a stabilization feature to keep your basket from falling over. Okay, now I want to attach the handle. And so what I'm going to do is on one side, I'm taking the handle and I'm just going to use a hole puncher. This is 1/8. And then I'm going to add a metal brad to the basket. Then I'm going to bring this over and attach the other side, repeating what I just did. Adding one more metal brad. And there you have your basket. Now let's do a little bit of decorating. I have some bows that I used the metallic, petal pink metallic edge ribbon. I have 2 of these, and I'm just going to attach them with a glue dot. One on this side. And another on this side. Okay, then I'm going to add my little bunny. I've used the layer and circle dies to make this little focal point, and this bunny is actually from the No Matter the Weather March 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what I'll do is add a dimensional to the back, or 2. And then I'm going to adhere this to the front. Next, I'll add my sentiment. This says Happy Easter. Now, we don't have a small enough Happy Easter in our offerings this year, so I actually still have my teeny tiny wishes stamp set, so that's where my Happy Easter comes from. And I've stamped this in early espresso ink. So I'm just going to take some glue dots. And add this right below the bunny. Then I'll add some Easter grass. And there you have it. A cute little mini Easter basket that makes a perfect gift for anyone. Now you can take Hershey's mini chocolate eggs and put them in the center. How fun is that? Oops, oops. Let's get those back in there. They don't want to cooperate with me. I hope you like this project, and you can find some of my other projects at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. I hope you like this project, and I hope you'll give it a try. Happy stamping!